Hey guys, it's Crystal and I'm back again today to do a fun video, this time a perfume collection tag. Now I wasn't tagged by anybody because I don't be consistent on YouTube, so I don't have any YouTube friends. However, I tag my damn self. If this is something of interest to you, please go ahead and continue watching. If you like to see my content, do remember to subscribe to my channel. I talk about fragrance, I talk about lifestyle, I talk about hygiene, I talk about beauty. That's what we talk about in here, and anything else I want to add to that, I will add. Also, do remember to go ahead and click the bell. The bell notifies you anytime I go ahead and do an upload. YouTube is playing us. Get notified. If this interests you, go ahead and continue watching. So, 2 questions I had to remix because they did not apply to me, but I'm going to go ahead and go through it. So we're not going to go through any notes, we're going to keep it fun and basic. The first question is my newest fragrance in my... The newest in my fragrance collection is Penhaligons. Did you like that British accent? Y'all British people that are following me, let me know. Penhaligons. This is changing Constance, okay? This I got for my birthday. It was just my birthday just the other day, last week. So I decided, your girl decided to treat herself. Now, you see the bottle, it's lush. It's pricey though. With this, I think it's a Dior or goat. I don't know what it is. However, the smell, boy. This is caramel, vanilla. There's some pimento for that added kick and spice. She is something else. Now, I did see some people complain about the longevity. I don't got those problems. I don't got those problems. Sis knows what to do. But this is the newest in my collection, Changing Constance by Penhaligons. Alright, the oldest fragrance in my collection. I had to go through the crates for this, y'all. This is Miss Dior Cherie Eau de Parfum. This was a gift from an ex. We were together for quite a while actually, so I keep it mostly for sentimental purposes. As you can see, it's just, there's like a 1-2 drop left. They have since reformulated this many times. There's tons and tons of versions of this. It's very feminine, very girly, very sweet. I actually do like it. I probably would upgrade to the current that's on the market now if I got the chance, but this is my oldest bottle. I probably have had this for at least 10 years. Actually, maybe more than that when I really think about it. So, oldest bottle. What's my most expensive fragrance in my collection? And that is definitely Baccarat Rouge. Your girl sat on this for many years, and everyone was boosting it up, hyping it up. Is it worth the hype? Yes, it's pretty, it's nice, it's growing on me. It's something I've had to work with. She cute, she lavish, she's rich. There's something about her. I can't put my finger on it. There's something about her. There's something about her. You just can't get enough of her. You think, ah, she aight, and then she comes through and you like, oh, she's good. She's nice. She got that it factor. And she costs coins for that it factor. But I've used tons. I overspray. I'm an oversprayer heavily, and the bottle's full up. So yes, most expensive. She's expensive. She's royal. Most affordable fragrance. Now, I thought about a few, and then I really sat there and thought about it, and again, and I say, yeah, this is the Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance Mist. So does it count? It counts because it's a mist, it's a scent, it's a fragrance. This is by the Rio, or what's the line called? Janeiro line that made the Bum Bum Cream, or it's actually said Boom Boom Cream. It's famous. This is nice. It's vanilla, caramel, there's a bunch of shit in it, but it's actually pretty. It's very pretty. I got the whole line, so she good. I wear this to the grocery store. I wear this to go pump gas. Something very light, something light. My easy reach. This is easy. Yves Saint Laurent's Black Opium. This is my easy reach. This is what I don't know what I want. Do I want to be a bad bitch? Do I want to smell like money? Do I want to be romantic? Do I want to be feminine? Do I want to be a sex bomb? Like, what do I want? What's the vibe? I don't know the vibe. I put this on because she just smells good. It's sweet to me, honestly. Shade. It's basic. It's a basic accent. Very basic. Nothing to it. It's very sweet. Has a coffee vibe to it. Sort of on the gourmandy side. You just want to smell good. You want to show a little effort. This is what I put on. No thoughts. Don't care. Don't have a vibe in mind. Favorite bottle. Come on now. She's the favorite bottle, period. This is beautiful. This looks like a bottle of whiskey. This is a cognac lover's dream. I'm a drinker, so this is that. She is her. Beautiful. Look at the bottle. Are you crazy? This looks like riches. This is like riches. I'm Diddy out in this. Look at her. And the juice. The juice? Come on now. This is the best bottle I have in my collection. The smallest bottle in my collection would have to be this. This is the tiniest bottle I have in my collection. It is Flowerbomb. It is a sample. I've never personally understood the hype around Flowerbomb. Maybe it's just not for me. But this is the smallest I have. I've played around with it, but I've never really been too into it. Tiny bottle. I don't even know how much. My eyes are bad. I'm not about to strain myself. This is tiny. So this is one of the ones I had to omit because it's like the biggest bottle and I don't really typically have any bottles that are huge. So I couldn't answer. I don't have anything as the biggest bottle in my collection. Memories associated is my Bvlgari. It used to be called Parfum, but now it's called Iris Dior. Iris Dior. Lord have mercy. I know. It changed the name. It's pretty much the same thing. But I used to call it used to be called Parfum, and now they've changed the name to that name I can't say. But this gives me the most memories. This is what I bought when I first started working. This was my grown woman scent. This has been with me through relationships, jobs, job losses, it's been through me a lot. So this brings me memories. This is like when I was young and I was free and I was bill free and living at home and spending my money and living my best life. That's what this reminds me of. So best memories associated with this one. Fragrance worth the hype. Okay, let's get on the hype train now. MFK's Grand Soir. Okay, this had me a believer. I was never like this MFK from Baccarat to whoever. People are boosting this up in the fragcom community, and I thought, it's I. But no, she good. It's not even a she. It's a he. It's a he good. He's nice. He's everything. This had me like, okay, let me check. Let me spend these coins. Let me save up. Let me put some money away. This is definitely worth the hype. This is everything plus. If you love Amber, don't say Crystal never said nothing. What's not worth the hype? I don't want to do it to her, but Gentle Fluidity by MFK. I don't get the hype, to be honest with you. She's good, okay? She reminds me of Claire Huxtable. Very feminine, very womanly, she's classy. She's out there. I get it. But I don't know if it doesn't completely work with my body chemistry. We're working with her. We and her, we have this thing going on. Sometimes I smell it. I don't smell the vanilla people keep talking about. I don't smell it. Okay, I smell a lot more like a floral note, and then there's something a little plasticky that leans on my skin. So I think it's a body chemistry thing because I blind purchased this. But people were like, oh, it's amazing. It's the best. It's beautiful. Definitely I could say it's beautiful, but is it worth the hype? I'm not really sure, to be honest. Me and her were working together, so I'll update y'all. The last question is your favorite fragrance house. Now, this goes without saying. Mugler. I just picked up any Mugler bottle I had because I have a few. Mugler's my favorite fragrance house, hands down. Even though I have converted to the niche side of life, Mugler will always be Bay. Bay is Mugler. I love Mugler. His stuff is unique. They're easy to get. The costs are reasonable. They are unique. They have a niche quality level. Although yes, there's many designer houses that are nice and have nice scent, I just find he's consistent across the board with the uniqueness, with the packaging, with the scent. So Mugler is my favorite house of all time, period. That's on that. If you're interested, go ahead and answer some of those below. Like what you think is overhyped? What is your favorite bottle in your collection? Let me know. Let's have some discussions down below. Please remember again to subscribe and rate with a thumbs up or down to let me know if you like this type of videos. Also hit the bell. Thanks once again for watching my videos. I hope that you stay safe and I hope that you have a good day as well.